Gentlemen, I like to consider myself a small talk and communication master, and this skill I have come to realize gives me an unfair competitive advantage over most people. The ability to make small talk and keep a conversation going with pretty much anybody is a skill that if you master will help you kick life's ass so hard it is ridiculous. So today, gentlemen, I'm tossing you the communication keys. I'm going over 6 of my personal secrets, things that I use to never run out of things to say. The first secret way to never run out of things to say is ask the secret question. This question I used it when I met my wife. I use it when I met like super successful people. I use it like all the time. Are you ready? You ready? Like, are you ready? So, what's your story? It's so good. It works like a charm. And the beautiful thing about that question, what's your story? It lets the person take that and like run with it. They can tell you what they're interested in. They can tell you about their job. They can tell you like whatever they want. And then from there, you move into the second secret, which is ask questions. Ask questions, and when you ask one, they'll generally respond and give you something, and then from there you can ask another question, or you can go back to the original statement that they used and ask a question based on that. It's a beautiful cycle. Small informational nugget after informational nugget after informational nugget, and it's these informational nuggets that you're going to use and ask other questions, and eventually you're going to move on to the third secret, which is find something you have in common and talk about that. If you ask enough questions and engage somebody and really listen, you'll be able to find something that you guys have in common. And one of the beautiful ways to do that is to ask questions. Do you like this? Do you like that? One thing that I've been really sort of like going into when I meet somebody is talking about social media. Ever watch YouTube? And that's kind of a trick question because everybody watches YouTube, but everybody doesn't watch the same YouTube. And so asking people who their favorite YouTuber is, what you like about them. Dude, you gotta check out AlphaM. He is ridiculously awesome. Maybe not going that far, but asking them about social media things like YouTube or Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, are you following me on Instagram? Are you not following me on Instagram? You should be, because I have just recently upped my game after I took a class from Skillshare, today's video sponsor, and secret number 4. If you want to truly be a social savage and kick life's ass, you've got to be learning constantly. And there is no better place to go if you're looking for incredible, cool content taught by incredible instructors. You got to check out today's video sponsor, Skillshare. Gentlemen, there is a link down below that's going to give you 2 months of Skillshare absolutely free for the first 500 people that hit that link. The deal is this: Skillshare has over 23,000 different classes. They've got classes in design, business, technology, photography, entrepreneurship, film, writing. 2 months of Skillshare, absolutely free. 500 people. After that, it's literally like less than $10 a month for unlimited, amazing learning. Guys, there's a link down below, and while you're there, you've got to take the class I just took by a woman named Sophia Chang. Analytics and Authenticity on Instagram, Crafting Your Digital Presence. If you've got an Instagram account, you have got to check out that class. It is a game changer. It talks about all about like hashtag strategies, how to like craft your story. Like, it's just amazing. And it truly was like eye-opening because I apparently have been doing some really bad things. Apparently I'm an idiot. but thanks to Sophia, I'm doing a little bit better, and I don't know, I'm just having a lot of fun with it. There's another class, guys, if you have not checked out, that I've talked about before. I've literally taken Simon's class 4 times. It's Presentation Essentials, how to share ideas that inspire action. Simon is a rock star. He is my man crush, and that class is something that you have got to check out. The first 500 people to hit that link down below is going to get 2 months of Skillshare absolutely free. After that, it is literally less than $10 a month for premium Skillshare, as much learning and knowledge as you can handle to be as interesting and keep that conversation rolling. The 5th communication secret I use to keep a conversation going is talk about things I love or the person I'm talking to loves. Once you break through that small talk sort of wall and barrier and actually get into some like real things that you're passionate about or they're passionate about, it is incredible. It's not even hard to keep a conversation going at that point because they love talking about things they love to talk about, and you love talking about things that you're excited and passionate about. And so if you can get there, game over, you win. It's amazing. And last, but certainly not least, the 6th Communication secret that I use to keep a conversation going: I learned to tell a good story. Being a good storyteller, and that kind of goes back to what Simon Sinek was talking about in that class about telling a story that inspires action. It's all about the ability to sort of take somebody through emotionally what you're talking about. And a great story has a bunch of different parts. You can't like rush it. Give it like a movie or a book. There are 5 aspects to a great story. Number 1 is the characters. Who is there? Number 2 is the setting. You've got to talk about where you are. Like if you can get like details, like it was a hot and stormy day in the middle of Atlanta. Like I'm talking about painting the picture. Don't shy away from detail. Number 3 is the plot. Why are you there with these people? What's going on? Number 4 is the conflict. What struggle is about to take place? 5th component is the resolution. Practice telling a story. You want to get into detail without going into like too much detail, because if you sort of start like rambling on forever and ever and ever and you never get to the point, typically people will like sort of lose concentration and start drifting off all over the place. But if you're a good storyteller, you're engaging, you're animated, you're excited, you're using body language, and this is something that is incredibly powerful when it comes to communication. If you can learn to communicate, if you can learn to tell a story, if you can learn to ask questions, you're ahead of the game, because so many people suck so bad at it. Gentlemen, you don't suck. You're amazing. You're beautiful, and I think you are fantastic.